Hey there, in this video lesson I'm going to show you how to edit any of the text and images within my Framer templates. So let's get started. So I have Framer open with one of my templates and we're just going to get right into it. So I've built these templates to make it easy as possible to start editing things like the text and images within them. So if I go ahead and click on any of the text here, and the one thing I want to make sure that you know ahead of time is that it's always best to start with editing any of these elements on the desktop frame or breakpoint. So I'll go ahead and show you why. So if I change this to John Sorrentino, it's going to then change on the tablet and mobile breakpoints as well. So that's already done. You do it once on one breakpoint and it transfers over to the rest of them. Now when it comes to images, I'm just going to go ahead and move myself over here. If I double click on the image, it's going to bring up this window on the right. I can go ahead and select any of the images that I have here. So I'm going to go ahead and select this one and then it's all done. If I go ahead and press preview, that image will work just as it's intended to. And then I have my name up here. And so we'll go ahead and change this here as well. So say you wanted to change this headline, I help startups launch. And again, it's going to go ahead and translate over to the other breakpoints. Same thing with this image. If I go ahead and change it, it'll change here as well. I want to show you one more type of component that's used a lot within my templates. And if I go over to these project pages, you'll notice that each project page has a unique footer that links to either the next or the previous project. So this one links back to the first project in this list. This one links to the second, and this one links to the third. And you'll notice that those images match the projects that they're going to be linking to. And that is because we're able to change some of these fields within these components. Again, very similar to the navigation and the footer on the home page. So this one's going to be linking to project 3. And if I want to change the title of the project, I can go ahead and write headspace, branding, and website design. And that's going to change across all of the breakpoints, which is really lovely. And again, if I want to change the image, all I have to do is click into this box here, and that'll update across all of the breakpoints as well. And that is looking good. So there you have it, a quick video lesson on how to edit any of the content within any of my Framer templates. If you have any questions, you can email me or message me on Slack. See you in the next video lesson, and have a good day.